Okay, on my last video where I showed you how to make the uppercase Z, I had trouble with my getting it on the YouTube site, and it would not turn sideways. So I'm going to do this again, just to make it a little bit easier for you to see. So I'm going to take my paper. I had to make my own because I don't have any more of the one I already used out of the workbook. I'm going to slant it with the arrow going to the middle of my stomach, to my belt buckle, we say. And the Z starts at the top of the headline. And in the book, they have it starting like this. This is how they have it. I'm going to make some changes off of that. You have a little gray dot there. I'm going to have you start with that little fish swimming down, and then make your candy cane. And then it makes a little fish hook up above the baseline, above the red line. Bows its head. We're going to pull down to our belt buckle, which is down to the basement floor. Hook, stop. Think about where we're going to make the crossover. We're going to make the crossover at the baseline, the red line. And it's going to be one smooth curve to the midline. So it crosses at the baseline and stops at the midline. So here we go. Curve. All right. Let's do that again. Start at the headline, make a little fish swimming downwards, go back up to the top, curve it around like a candy cane, go back up, bow's head. Should be almost a twin for the one above it, the larger one above it. They should both go straight for your belt buckle or your left elbow if you're a left-hander. Hook, stop. Think about where you're going to make that crossover and go smoothly. One curve. It's hard to do. Sometimes going faster actually is easier than going slow, where it starts to get wobbly and crooked. If you were to do it wrong, it might look like this. Huh? You know what I mean? Now, there is another way that some people prefer doing it, and I do think that's acceptable. And it's a fish, candy cane. Then you make another fish. And again, I like this one. So if you want to practice one of each kind, I mean a whole row of each kind, and then decide which one you think is easier for your hand, they're both acceptable. I'm going to show you some connections. We're going to write Zambia. Bow its head, because we're going to make a vowel A. Bow its head, close it, teardrop shape or petal of a daisy. Pull down and under curve, bow its head, pull down, retrace, bow its head, pull down, retrace, bow its head, pull down, travel a little and under curve, hook, stop. Think about where your belt buckle is, pull down straight as a ruler, travel a little, under curve, swinging bridge, pull down, travel a little, over, under, and then over, bow its head and close it. Sort of a point, a squeezed in oval. Pull down straight as a ruler, travel a little undercurve, pick up, dot your I, and stop. Now that is the way you connect the uppercase Z to the vowel A. It's a little different with the connection to the vowel O, because instead of connecting with an overcurve, bowing its head, it's going to do an undercurve. So here we go. I'm going to do the other kind of Z this time. I'm going to do the, oh wait, I'm sorry, the O is the same. I'm going to do it with the E. It's undercurve. Hook, stop, think, pull down to the baseline, undercurve. And then we'll go up and we'll do pick up and stop. So zero. Okay, thank you.